Okay.
We actually
Guys, I'm streaming right now, so I would suggest you guys not say that. I just started streaming.
Well,
Battle
I just guessed. I just guessed an area number.
4333333.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, I have use current location on.
No! Don't you dare.
What the hell is this storm?
Well, are you looking at the Kansas one?
No, I'm looking at velocity. I mean,
Oh, the Tennessee one. Yeah, it's weak. I might be on the ground, but I don't know.
I'm gonna look at Colfer.
There's already been one confirmed tornado.
I believe we have a CC drop.
A minor CC drop, yeah.
Yeah, it's right on Bellwood.
Oh, that is a tornado on the ground.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Bellwood needs to take shelter.
That's gonna be really weak.
Yeah, but it can still do damage.
You can run wild even with allergies.
Oh yeah, that's a tornado. That's a tornado.
More episodes of Let's Make a Deal.
Alright, tornado on the ground for Rome, Tennessee.
Second one of the day.
Yep.
But I don't think it
Actually,
is. Well, it is. It's a hook. There's a hook.
Yeah, that's a.
Oh, you have cookies for Wayne? Well, that is a snack.
I can hear Kenny's.
That's not one. I don't know whose it is. That's cool. Oh, that's the first.
I can hear your stream audio.
I don't even have right on. Who do I have on?
How do I hear your stream audio when I'm not watching your stream? Is it going through your microphone?
Yeah, I
have nothing coming through my stream.
Using. That's starting to go upscale fast though.
Hello. Hey Mason, are you paying attention to the Kansas cell?
Not really. I'm watching the dry line pushing into Oklahoma.
It might produce a tornado soon. Up near Kensington, Kansas.
It wouldn't be anything major though. Your actual real beefy storms are going to be right along this dry line that are already going upscale.
Why are people saying they have a TDS on their radar? What are they looking at?
It's not. It's not.
Tennessee is on the ground. It lines up with the
Nah. What the?
Tennessee is
I don't know.
on the ground.
It very much will, or probably is. This is your storm to watch, though. Anything along really here is your best actual environment.
Yeah. The dry line's starting to push through, so those cells are starting to.
Wonder if News 9's on. I don't think they are. Oh, he might be.
Well, hi everyone.
Oh, I hear something.
Nope. No David Payne. Just yet.
The one time Hunter's sleeping, I'm guessing. He's.
The
I don't know, this is starting to get some pretty high echo tops, so it's likely, it very much might not have gone through the EML inversion, because the dryland circulation can support these cells on its own, and they're going to special weather statement it. Not surprised. I don't think this is going to be the one to go, though. There's going to be other little cells that start to kind of bubble up with time.
Man, I wish A-Whips wouldn't crash all the time.
I mean, it's A-Whips. It does its thing.
Yeah, I don't know what that thing is.
A-Whips is just really buggy.
Do not see why people think there's a tore down. There's literally just not even matching up.
I'll start a fire. This dry line circulation is helping. No.
LOJ probably should push through, I believe, right? It's pretty soon.
Whoa, that's wild. Someone deleted the message and then I sent something and then it gave me an error that they're not accepting messages. That's pretty cool. Anywho. I don't know. I think if you can get something along that Confluence band, you need better LOJ though. That's really what you're lacking right now. But that's gonna come after 0Z.
LOJ should push in, I think, pretty soon, though.
Yeah, there's a lot of discrete convection going up. As expected, I mean... So, with the current storm motion, if everything starts to go like this, you're not going to really have a cluster issue. Mainly for the fact of it's going to be very hard to get that. This whole area could still fire too. I mean, your high risk is... It's not really even into there. Prime environments around here, but even outside of that risk, you can have something.
Yeah. Prime environment's like after 0Z, right? That's when the LJ kicks in.
Pretty much nocturnal. Man, this synoptic pattern is just beautiful. I think OUN did a balloon. Oh, yep. They did a 18Z and... Yeah, that's,
Certainly looks like it.
I'd say mildly terrifying.
Just a bit.
So, once that can get synoptically removed, that's when you're going to start getting your violent tornadoes. Which are your EF4 plus tornadoes. But just a matter of time. This is like any other planes event, which a lot of people are not really used to. They're just storms, fire, boom, boom. This is more of a classic one that you're going to have to wait a good bit for all of your stuff to come together. But the timing is right for a lot of it, so that when it does, you get something like today. Not seeing anything of really note. Wonder what I am gonna check though is the VWP at Norman. Let me see if
Oh, hey Hunter.
Just got done getting Chris Hall set up.
Did you see something, BC?
Huh?
Did you see that people think there was a tour on the ground east of you?
Yeah, I saw that.
I think that is on, or maybe no. Is that clear air? I think it is.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm looking at that cell up to my...
So OUN is probably not going to have the best low-level jet, mainly for the fact of your trough is not fully in the area yet, so you're not going to have the best low-level mass response until it's fully into that region, but We already have cells firing, and they're each discrete along the line. What was that for? Tulsa. New mesoscale. And what is that gonna be for? Eastern Nebraska, northern Kansas. They're talking about it's gonna continue regional radar, blah blah blah. Moving through. Additionally, strong non-level shear, embedded circulations.
I didn't know Oklahoma was already firing.
Yeah, I mean, once that dry line was able to move into it, I think it's a lot of things helping it at the moment. But not gonna lie, it's definitely cooking. So each of these are discrete, soon-to-be supercells. And there's gonna be more that fire along here. So you're gonna have literally like a blanket of supercells pushing through.
It's gonna get pretty hellish pretty quick.
Very, because you see this? This is what I've been mentioning for a few days now. You have storms, but these little ones, the orientation that you're at, if that can, one, nudge the rear flank downdraft, and you can actually get something going with it, that would, one, make it significant, and two, if it just straight up merges with it, that's how you're going to get your strong tornadoes. This guy's not mature yet, though. There's really no upper-level strong mesocyclone. But as it pushes up, probably towards here, it should be a well-established supercell with environment. If it is not capped, which diurnal heating, synoptic lift, yada yada, would be able to remove that. Overall, not bad.
I don't think there's any cap anymore across Oklahoma.
I'm not sure. There's another sounding. NSSL's out. Raxpol's out, and a few other people. So we're gonna get more soundings, and we're gonna get Doppler radar data, which... Oh! They're scanning. I think they are. They are. Raxpol is alive.
Nice.
Let me see if I can show it on the screen. I don't know if it's gonna let me. There we go. There's Raxpol. It is set up north of Weatherford. Did I lose controls? Is that what happened?
It's the best spot it could be at.
Oh, there's the controls. Oh, how much I hate this interface. Anyways, though, if there's a supercell that can kind of... Yeah, was that Norman? And then it's there. Okay, let's try to refresh. I think the other viewer's better. Yeah, there we go. He is indeed scanning. So, we're gonna keep an eye on that for sure.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
I think there's a few other research radars out. See the new one. So Dryline's probably a little bit right here. So, a little bit behind modeled. On here, it kind of lines up. That's actually a clear and cut dry line. Like, right there. Wow. Interesting to see gravity range. Oh, an SPC forecaster is on the storm I was talking about. Right here. And it has towering cumulus. Oh, it's a pretty hefty wall cloud.
What storm?
Tennessee, but I don't know where in Tennessee.
Don't know what that was.
Want to see what this merger does. We're gonna get a line of mergers pushing into the storm. So it really just depends. Okay, this is starting to get a little bit of hail going. Our higher DBZ cores. We're scanning pretty far up, so this is looking kind of near your anvil level of the storm, where you get the hail production when your updraft is pushing all of that hail towards the north. It's falling towards the downdraft. Boom. And we're scanning right near the top of that. So when you're seeing a lot of hail production, you have a pretty strong updraft, thus a pretty strong storm. And ZDR, a little bit of a lowering, so very strong updraft. If these can also start going and merge, you would kind of start to shape it a little bit better. Again, shear is going to, of course, matter if you get anything very, very significant, but definitely starting to line up that way. Storm firing near Arnett, yeah, that's going to be that one. And by the way, I don't know if we have enough spotters chasing this. Let me check. Yeah, that's not enough. My god.
Tornado, Nebraska. Hello?
I'm here.
Tornado, Nebraska. KLNX.
KL and
Yeah, KLNX. There's two of them. No, three. No, two.
one's near KUEX or KLNX. I don't see nothing in KLNX.
KLNX, go north near Brownlee.
Okay.
Just east of it.
Oh, the line of storms just
yeah,
north.
There's two rots. They're both on the ground.
I mean, I see rotation, but it's not tight. Is this confirmed?
No, you can see the CC drop though. Look on
Oh,
the
there's a
screen.
CC drop? Let me look.
Yeah, on both.
Oh, there is a CC drop.
One, and then the second one is most likely on the ground.
Hold on.
I could see the north one being.
I'm not sure if that's an actual CC drop from debris, though.
The north one is on the ground though.
The north one looks fairly convincing.
Right now, cells are starting to get their act together, I think.
Probably in the next couple hours.
Oh.
I think he's also streaming Wednesday because there's
He said possibly tomorrow and definitely Wednesday.
Yeah, there's 21 million people in the enhanced risk.
By the way, there's two tornadoes on the ground right now.
Say what?
Is that a hook on the Fairview storm?
There was two brief tornadoes on the ground near Brownlee, Nebraska, off KLNX. If you go back a few scans.
Was it warned or unwarned?
Unwarned, both of them.
Of course. We don't got enough people. Ooh. Hello.
Follow car guy.
Is that hooking?
Well, it looks like
there's already severe
national
warning.
area in particular. There's
Is
probably
already-
going to be one area, probably the northern portion of Nashville, that might actually get some might actually get some further development. It looks like because the southern portion and the eastern portion of the Nashville metro.
Well, we already got severe thunderstorm warnings popping up in Oklahoma. I mean,
Yeah, that's what I was just about to ask. Did we just get
60 mile per hour winds, hail 1.25 inches. Radar indicated. Ellis, Woodward, Oklahoma. This is issued till 4 p.m. CDT.
By the way, multiple rotating supercells in Tennessee as well.
Yeah, that's what we're looking at.
Yeah,
right
we were
now.
watching those.
I'm curious on what the storms east of Nashville are doing. Like,
One
it's
of
just
them's definitely recycling.
So for those of you that are interested in the Nashville storms, I've got one of the Nashville TV stations streaming right now.
These are the only storms that are interesting at the moment.
It's like going. One of them, the one in Franklin's going through a merger. So.
Oh yeah, it is. Big time.
Right into what's going on here, which is a lot. Okay. Thank you for tuning in. This is a live.
Is that a hook? Looks too jumbled. Ryan's live now.
Okay, not muted, thank God.
Not surprised this high base.
It's definitely got a. Okay, this Lauren, Kansas cell's got a decent hook on it. It might produce soon. Near Pawnee Rock and Dundee, Kansas.
Oh, what was that? Time is it? 2:32. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southern Ellis. That was just an update. Of course. Don't give us the facts.
I hear multiple people streaming stuff.
I'm not even watching anything.
I can hear it off other people's things.
Yeah, someone has it, but whatever. It's good background noise. The hell was this? They just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Watertown,
And Tennessee.
Cherryville, Norton. Yeah, I could see that one turning into a mess. There's 70 alerts so far. Half of them are. Oh, we just got an update on Franklin. Where's it going?
It's just for hail. Basically, they're saying that there will be damage to property and stuff.
100%.
We're not even talking about the rotation, though.
No, not anymore. It might go through a cycle.
Yeah. But basically, they're talking about quarter-size hail.
I mean, there is rotation.
You can see, we've already got hail piling up on some of the cars out there.
Yeah.
Snow for Canada.
I'm not surprised. At one point, they were talking like radar indicating 3-inch hail. So.
Applications for these warnings
That
and
looks like
watches.
more than 3 inches, in my opinion.
I saw some people on Twitter asking, we're under a high risk. Does that mean there's going to be a tornado?
Anything up in for Storm Prediction Center? There's been 2 tornadoes so far today.
3.
There was one earlier today, but where?
There's been 2. There was 3.
There was one really early today.
One in Nebraska, one in South Dakota, and one in Tennessee. And now probably another one another week one up in Nebraska, so that makes 4.
Yeah, they haven't updated yet. There's been 18 hail reports so far today. Wildfire. There's nothing going on.
So KOCO in Oklahoma City is already live. With their
Yeah, makes
coverage.
sense. I would be live. I would have been live sooner.
Yeah, I'm gonna check to see if Channel 9's following them.
It should be. So should Channel 4.
This is one of the reasons why I have the 4 screen, so I can go ahead and see multiple places.
That's nice.
I mean, it's pretty cool doing that.
Stuff from the national.
Yeah.
I like being able to see all this.
I have my computer and my TV. I just hooked it up this morning. I've been up 24 hours.
Yeah, I might have to ask our source person to fix the Channel 9 feed, because I don't know if we'll have it today.
Look at the fucking squares and rectangles on this map. It's wild. Oh, another update. There's another mesoscale discussion for tornado warning 189.
Looks like the storm that Reed is
It's
on
just the same damn thing. Oh, that sucks.
Storm, but most importantly, get hit by.
To radar.
Alright, so I just gotta get Channel 9 working, and then we'll have all of the Oklahoma City stations instead.
The Franklin store's falling apart
Block
with the
25
tail
we have
end.
zero interest in covering. They're a Sinclair station, and they're bottom of the barrel anyway.
The rotation on them.
Yeah, words of advice for those of you weather chasers, and for those of you wanted as far as TV goes. There are some exceptions, like James Fan, for example, but most Sinclair stations, in regards to weather, is just trash.
Is that a dog?
You don't even have to say weather. You just say Sinclair is trash. Like, I don't have very good feelings about Sinclair.
Well, Sinclair doesn't even have a news station in your area. And it's an ABC affiliate, which is even more embarrassing.
Yeah, the Franklin storm tail end's falling apart. I think it's gonna break off. Unless it just stays rained. The back end of the storm was pretty well built. Now it's just falling apart.
Wait, what do you mean? What cell's falling apart?
Franklin, the tail end of it's falling apart.
Which one's Franklin?
Tennessee.
Oh, I'm looking at Oklahoma and stuff.
Of course you are. I think Centerville might try to catch up to the Franklin storm in Tennessee. It's going on the same path. No. New thunderstorm warning. What's this one showing?
Wait a minute, what one was that?
Franklin, Tennessee.
Oh no, I wasn't asking you, my mistake.
About 3,500 joules per kilogram. It's really your spin in the atmosphere.
For what?
Like a computer. Like just you plug an SD card into it and straight ready to. Is that possible on yours? Or?
Have you checked Totos yet?
They're very low since we're not near 0Z, and your trough is not fully into the area for your low-level mass response to kick up. Nice well cloud on... Let me copy.
Who's ready for the 0Z observed soundings? Don't think anyone is.
I'm not.
Much the moment should ramp up with time. Okay, so looks like a very broad wall cloud.
Where do you see the lowering?
It was over towards here when he had it pointed, but...
Okay.
There it is. It's kind of the leading edge. It looked a lot better a second ago. This was your wall cloud, but it's getting shredded apart.
It's that
Kind of makes sense.
it's that second intruding cell into the backside of it that's killing off the wall cloud. It's got a cycle.
Mesoanalysis with the casual 11 STP in Oklahoma tonight. That's pretty wild.
been muted for too long. Yeah, alright, here we go. We got our tornado warning in Smithville with tornado on the ground in Smithville, north of Smithville, Tennessee, and also Nebraska. And a possible tornado about to touch down near Moreland, Oklahoma. So we got 3 of them right now. This one I'm concerned about right here. Because this one I think is about to be on the ground, or is on the ground at this current moment in time. Might have weakened. A brief spin up on it, we don't know that. Yeah, weakened. And what happened there? Cycling. I think.
Yeah, those are your storms. So, still waiting for something to occur or happen. But we don't have quite much at the moment to really go over.
Hey, Mason, for that in general chat, Funnel posted context. I think that's for Moreland, Oklahoma.
It might be possible. We were just looking at a live feed and I didn't see much. Yeah, it could be a funnel, but at the same time, it's very tricky because when you're looking at an image, you can't really tell if it's Scud or not. Which a funnel, again, is rotating. Scud is just kind of rising and it's just there. It's not moving. Yeah, Nebraska. There you go. That is definitely a nice profile. Go up to Dodge City. Go to UEX. And right about here, tornado warning out for that cell. That was just issued. Tornado, I'm going to call that on the ground. There's no CC drop, but I'm willing to bet that this is a tornado on the ground. South of Rosemont, north of Guide Rock. Probably did a little bit of damage, if I had to bet. Might have not hit anything, but it is starting to occlude. So this was a starter live type tornado that went on through there. Very tight rotation and right up to about 2, which is pretty high to significant. So very interesting. Looks like it went over nothing though, which is very good. Let's go over to Vance AFB and check again. Yeah, maybe a little bit of a low-level meso forming on Moreland. That's very interesting.
Yeah, you're almost 5,000 feet in the air, so it'll be hard to tell.
If you could, I'd be willing to bet if you could get something on the RFD to kind of push it around, you might be able to get something, but on its own, not sure. Let's see, looks like we got new updates. Nothing all too much. Hell reported in Colorado. A few golf balls.
New tornado warning for Nebraska. It's an extension. Or actually, wait. Why isn't the same box as the old tornado warning? What?
Tennessee went to our.
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll go look at it. So, if I'm not mistaken, and let me actually do this real quick so I can see. Yep, this is about to cross over a X-band radar that we cannot view because it is paywalled. So, you know, it'd be a good, nice, low-level signature, but we just don't know.
Also, where is the Tor R for Tennessee? There's no Tor R.
It is. It takes a little bit to load.
Oh, there it is.
Oh wait, yeah, they're panning the camera around.
So I'm gonna see if anyone.
Hold on, stream. I need to pause for a second. I'll be right back. Something's wrong with my computer too.